Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make data banga soup with pounded yam. I'm sure by the end of this video you're going to fall in love with this soup. So get a seat, get some popcorn, some soft drinks, sit down and watch this video today. And I already have all the ingredients for the soup. So the first thing is to wash the palm fruit. I'm going to wash that multiple times before transferring it to the pot of water on the fire. The reason is to get rid of dirty and sand. So once I'm done, I will wash my protein and cover that to cook until it is soft and then proceed to wash my protein. The protein I'm using is chicken, so I'm going to use salt to wash that nicely and then I will add my seasoning. So once I was done, I transferred that into the pot and then add some seasoning cube, bay leaf, thyme, chicken flavor, and then I massage that into the chicken so it can penetrate. And then I chopped in some onion and cover that to marinate for a few minutes before transferring to the fire. While that is on the fire, the palm fruit was already ready and hubby helps me to pound the palm fruit, and by then the chicken was already halfway cooked, and then I transferred the extract direct to the chicken on the fire. So this is it. And once I was done, I cover and allow that to come to boil. And the next thing is to peel the yam, dice it and put it on the pot and then transfer that on the fire. So the extract was already boiling and then I went in with my spices. I added blended spice, crayfish, onions and pepper all blended together. And I added my dry fish and then seasoning cube. To all my subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always watching and sharing my videos. God bless you. And if you are new here, you're welcome to this beautiful family. God bless you. And ensure you subscribe so you get notified whenever I put out a video. So the next thing is to pound our yam. The yam is already soft. I have a small mortar, so I'm going to be doing it bit by bit. So I'll transfer it to the mortar. This is me taking out the yam from the pot. I'll put that on the mortar and pound to form a dough, and that is what we'll call pounded yam. Once I'm done, I will wrap with a nylon and then set aside. You can see that the soup is boiling. So by the time I was done with the pounding, the soup was already ready. It was super delicious, guys. You're going to fall in love with the soup. So nice and very yummy. So this is it. The soup is ready. From the look, you can tell that the soup is delicious. So guys, this is how to prepare um data banga soup. You can do it with any banga spices you can lay your hands on and it will still taste very nice. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video.